Oh, look, it's Mr. Ball. That's your favourite. Here, look, that's his boat. Grandpa Rabbit's boat. There he is, look. There you go. Oh. Way. Here we go. Who can you see? I can see Peppa. Here's Peppa Pig. Wow. Lovely. Oh look, here we go. Here's Peppa with the Queen. Look, she's jumping. Look, they're jumping up and down in muddy puddles. It's amazing. At least we're on opposite sides, Liz, because we'd end up capsizing it, I think.
That's what the guy said.
Oh, okay. Gonna hit the side again.
Look at all the pumpkins.
It's great, isn't it?
They've really outdone themselves in their pumpkins. They must have spent a fortune.
Zack, I've never seen so many pumpkins.
I've never seen so many pumpkins. Mr. Ball digging up the road.
That's some pretty flowers.
Whoa!
There's
There's
Mr.
so
Ball.
much to do. There it is. Look, the red flowers. I'm nearly getting my wet bum.
Oh, we're really spinning now, Zack. Spinning loads.
There's grandpa on those roads.
So Zack, tell me who you can see on here. Name all the characters. Who can you see?
There
I can
is
see.
grandpa. Daddy.
There's Zoe Zebra. Yeah.
Grandpa.
Who else? There's Peppa. There's George. Who's the rabbit? It's not Mrs. Rabbit. They're twins, are they? The rabbits.
I think the elephant is famous for the temple.
It's Richard Rabbit.
And what's the elephant called?
That's
Clever
Rabbit.
clog.
What's the elephant called?
Oh, my clever clog.
Yeah, but what's his
Emily.
name? Edmund. It's Edmund.
Oh.
Edmund Elephant.
What's Emily?
Well, I don't know, but one of them's called Edmund, isn't it?
Yeah, that's her brother.
Oh, no, Edmund is the clever clogs, isn't he? Edmund Elephant is a clever clogs.
Grandpa Pig's asleep on his boat.
Yeah, here we go, Zack, back into the station.
Oh, we're gonna hit.
Uh-oh, we're going to crash. Oh, the bag came off. Is that alright? That's a funny noise, isn't it?
That is a noise, that is, isn't it?
I didn't make the noise. It's Grampy Rabbit. Go stand in front of him. Wow, look at Grampy Rabbit. Who's that? Who's that? I don't know. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on then, Zack, you lead the way. Go, go, go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Oh man. How fast can you spin the balloon ride, Zack? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way. It's a green Peppa Pig World up there. All aboard for the balloon ride.
How about the car one? This is
Whoa. So fast. We're right behind Grampy. Oh, there we go. Zacky, hello. Okay, yeah.